In this video, I'll be showing you how to use phone as webcam in OBS Studio. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So on your PC, what you want to do is go to this website where it says camo.com/studio, and then just go ahead and press download for Windows. You don't have to join the community or anything. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and click on the installer, and then it's going to be like, you can also just get it on Microsoft Store as well, which is why it's showing the Microsoft Store icon. And then it's just going to be starting the download, which honestly is less than 500 megabytes. So depending on your internet, it can be very quick. And then it's automatically going to also open up Camo Studio for you. So while it's opening, we can just close the browser. It says, let Camo Studio access your camera. And then we're just going to go ahead and press yes. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. And it says, amazing results with any webcam or camera. Use your iPhone or Android as a webcam, which is obviously what we want to do. Now we can take the Camo tour. You just press, you're going to use it for streaming or content creation, but we can just go ahead and skip this. And it says using your iPhone or Android to use your iPhone as your PC's webcam, download Camo. So what I'm gonna have to do is, whether you're on iPhone or Android, go ahead and download Camo on your phone, and it's going to be completely free once again. And then you're just going to be able to, connect it properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and press continue right here. You can customize scenes if you want to as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to skip this, and then I'm just going to complete the install like so. It's going to say preparing to install right here, and then just wait for it to install properly. Okay, so now what you have to do is within the application on your phone, tap the Wi-Fi symbol, and it's going to ask you to connect. It says open the device drop down in Camo Studio on your computer. So in my instance, the device drop down is going to be right here. Then what we're going to do is press pair a device. And then on your phone, scan the QR code. Once you go ahead and scan the QR code, it's then going to be showing my phone screen like so. So I can then, obviously just like zoom in if I want to, zoom out or anything like that. And yeah, obviously you can change the type of lens you want to use as well, which is really cool. And then you'll be good to go. It's as simple as that.